So we're going to do this together by simply dialing star 924 star 8 hash to purchase our admission voucher, that is the College of Education voucher. Now, whilst doing this, it took a little time before the prompt came, but then patience, they say, is key. So whilst waiting, the next thing is your bank account or your mobile money. So I'm going to select mobile money because that is what I'm going to use to purchase the voucher. Then I'll select MTN mobile money. Then I confirm my number by clicking 1, and then the form costs 305 Ghana cedis and the unit charge is 3 cedis. So here, if I'm buying 1, I'll enter 1. If I'm purchasing 2, I'll enter 2 in that order. The maximum you can buy is 5, but here I'm just going to purchase 1 voucher, and the total cost is going to be 308 Ghana cedis. So the form is actually 305 and the charges is 3 cedis. So in all, you're going to pay 308. I think this is convenient than going to the bank because probably you're going to purchase a trust key or a vehicle, and your in and out is going to be somewhere worth more than 15 cedis. So doing this at the comfort of your home is cool. Now, after purchasing the voucher, what is next? I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to go through the whole College of Education admission process or application process. So stay tuned. Now, upon payment, applicants will be given the following: that's the PIN, personal identification number, an application serial number. And once you have these two, you log on to the website, which is admission.coeportal.edu.gh, and then you supply the card information you were given. Please make sure to keep these two very safe. That is the serial number and PIN. Please always keep it safe. Now, once you log in, there are certain things that will be required for you to submit. For example, your passport picture. You need your details. That is your name, your surname, your last name. People do not know the differences between the surname and the first name, so please take note of that. You also need an active 10-digit number, an email address during the whole application process. Also, you need to confirm your index number and the year in which you sat for the examination, that is your WASI. And also, if you're going to use two results, you can do that. You can use a NOVDEC and WASI, or you can use your WASI. That is if you've already sat for WASI, you can use two WASI results to apply. Please, when you're done, always click on the preview and make sure that you've gone through all the information you've provided on the portal, making sure that you've not done any mistake, most especially when it comes to your mobile number. It is very important. A lot of applicants do get admission, but then they do not get the notification because they probably entered the wrong 10-digit mobile number. So please take note. Kindly take note that the admission process will close on Sunday, 31st of August 2024. And so please make sure that if indeed you want to attend any of the colleges of education in Ghana, then start purchasing your voucher as early as possible to avoid any errors. So kindly do this and don't forget to stick to whatever I've said in this episode. Stay tuned. I'll be bringing you more updates with regard to teachers training. My name has always been Lottie as well. People know me as Team Lottie. This is our new channel. Our old channel has been taken out, and so thank you so much for sticking and staying. I'm definitely going to see you in another episode. Bye bye.